going? Welcome to today's video. It's pretty nice out. I should probably put my seatbelt on. But yeah, we're gonna go to Callie's house and we gotta get to working on her Z, because if we don't, we ain't gonna make it to no damn drift event with no motor mount on the driver's side. So I will see you guys at Callie's house. Oh man. Okay. So right off the rip, every single forum I've been on, there's no videos on it, and every forum is like, this is the hardest thing to do while the engine's in the car, which I knew before, but I wanted some reassurance, maybe some confirmation that someone's done it easily, maybe half easily. I guess not. But so basically what happens on these is the left side, because the engine torques this way, this motor mount separates on this side because the engine's lifting up on it, and it's not like a bolt all the way through the stock mount. It's a bolt into rubber and then a bolt into rubber, and then basically the rubber separates. It's not good, but what that does is basically the engine will start lifting and hitting the cross member. It's no good. It's no good. We don't like these things. So what you do to stop that is, I mean, you can put a stock mount in there. I don't advise you to do that. Callie got solid mounts, so we're gonna put the solid mounts in. Well, all right, so I'm doing this side first because the problem side apparently is the side that's easier to get to, but I still see people modifying wrenches, and I don't have a welder here. I don't have a vise here. I don't have anything like that. So I'm going to do the problem side first, and we know the other side is fine for now because the engine, like, to do the other side, it's like oil filter has to come off, engine has to come up, subframe has to come off. Like, I would rather just pull the engine. It would be way easier to just pull the engine. So I'm going to do the side that matters first. The mounts are the same height. It's the same damn thing. Only one is solid. So this one, whatever. Basically, we just don't want the engine lifting up and hitting anything and trying to come out of the car while she's trying to drift. So I'm going to do the side that matters first. And if I can devise a way to do the other side, I will attempt to do the other side. But she has to drift next weekend, and there's no way, like, there's no hoist here. Like, I can't pull this engine here. I have to do it at the other shop. So that's what we're going to do. That's what we're going to try. Callie's getting ready, and I'm going to start jacking this car up. Okay, now that that's jacked up and have a sufficient floor cushion, let's take a look at what I'm up against here. See if I can come up with anything better. Okay. So the bolt that everyone's bitching about is up there. This thing is still leaking oil from somewhere. I don't know where, but it's way up there, which is super annoying because it's all over the block and I cannot freaking tell where the hell it's coming from. This is the only thing I hate about VQs, dude. Like, the oil shit is so annoying. There's just straight up no bolt on the motor mount, so that's good. The mount actually doesn't seem to be broken. There's just, it seems the bolt that was on there is no longer on there, and that's why it's picking up. Great. But maybe this is good. Maybe we don't have to do the actual motor mounts yet. Well, like I said, this is good and bad. I just alerted Callie and she's relieved / annoyed, which is very similar to how I feel. So yeah, I guess she's almost done getting ready. Gotta run to Home Depot. I don't know. I say damn VQs, but my 5.3 leaked mad oil. But that's because of stupid shit. Like, it leaks nothing now. The floor underneath it is dry. I'll show you in the next video. But on the way to Home Depot now.
Oh my god, there's a lady looking. Can you not do that?
I was just yelling wait at her. Also, I just noticed these.
They have plants now.
Oh God, we're gonna be here for a while now.
No, I could be into worse things.
I know. You could be doing crack.
Exactly.
And for that, I'm thankful.
I said I'm saving crack plants.
Ah, there you go. We'll tap and dye, or tap some, just in case, you know. But we're good. You can keep going right here this aisle. But we got some fat washers, some bolts, some carb cleaners, some rags, some towels, oil. Now we need a tap kit.
Why can't we get, okay, the heavier this gets, the harder it gets. I'm so sorry.
Oh no, you know why? Sorry. Look, this is a little trick. The farther back everything is,
that makes sense.
The easier it is to push, you know? Check it out. Check it out.
Wow.
Ain't that some shit?
Insane.
I just walked into something, but we need something to clean out these threads. Hell yeah, we're out. Yeah, you guys wish. You guys honestly wish. It ain't even Sunday. It ain't even Sunday. Yeah, so just here loosening this here control arm so I can push out of the way and get to that bolt correctly. That's just the way it goes, you know what I mean? You ever see, dude, remember that Ed Bassmaster?
Yeah, dude, that's what I was thinking about.
Oh, that ain't good. Hell yeah, Callie. Oh man, alright, that's good.
If I saw that and I were 13 years old and in the comment section, I'd call you the hard F-A.
We gotta put some Loctite on that fucking...
What?
That rack spacer is like out.
Yeah, we got Travis over here.
You don't smoke?
No.
Callie.
And my car doesn't either.
If you smoke, you'll be really cool.
I feel like treadmills are like the most neglected like utility ever.
And my dad's like, I'm like, can we just get rid of that? He's like, I'm gonna use it. Does it look like he's gonna use it?
So I got a torch on this and I'm just trying to heat up the bolt more as I try to impact it on because that shit's so stripped that like it just won't get past the front of it, so this is the only thing I can really do. And I can't put a freaking tap on it because it's way up there and the tap needs a little handle thing, so it's either take the engine out and do this or spend 9 hours trying to get this mount out. Watch out. Move your hands.
Leave him alone. He's just trying to chill. Right, Waf?
Garage rabbit.
So you don't want the camera on your face.
It's just so funny. Like I can't get anything on there, and I think this is why it broke last time. But basically, I need a bolt slightly bigger than this. As you can see, that is absolutely destroyed. So very slightly bigger, and hopefully a coarse thread.
Is that a lawnmower?
Yeah,
That's
is that electric? I think it's electric. Yeah. It's weird. Looks like a go-kart. This whole day for this, and it would have taken even longer if I'm trying to do the damn mount itself. Like, I'm not doing that. I'm not gonna break a wrench and weld it. But yeah, I'm gonna try to do this again, I guess. Well, that was an unsuccessful day. I'm just going to post this in case anyone can, you know, let me know what they think I should do, because I can't get the motor mount out. I'm not driving all the way up to get a welder, and I can't take the engine mount out here. So what do? You know, if anyone with a Z has had experience with this before, or if anyone knows how I can unstrip that nut, or how I can unstrip the stud that goes into the motor mount. I can't use a tap and die, like I've said, because there's no room like to be able to use that. Before I just get like a piece of flat stock and like just make something that bolts up to like the mount and the engine or the mount bracket and the subframe or something, just something to hold it down, just so it doesn't, because that mounts on, like I said, this one is just, it's bunk. I don't know. I've been defeated. It's a bad day for me, but I guess we'll be back tomorrow to do the rest of everything, which is like a good amount to do, but I'm out. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Ah, man, it's late. I gotta go. Peace out.